I got asked this question recently: have I ever been able to speak? And the answer is no. I developed cerebral palsy when I was 6 months old after contracting encephalitis, so I've never been able to speak. I've always communicated in different ways, and for many years now I've used a speech device. What a lot of people don't realize is that my Geordie accent was actually created especially for me. My original computer voice sounded quite generic, but I wanted something that reflected where I'm from. So, with the help of the tech geeks, a Geordie version was developed. It might be computer generated, but it's definitely a Geordie voice. My communication device has given me independence. It's allowed me to have conversations, tell jokes, order food, and somehow make a career out of making people laugh. So even if it doesn't say "How way man" properly, I wouldn't swap it for anything. If there's anything you've ever wondered about my life, disability, or comedy, ask away in the comments. It might end up being my next video. See you later.